Many of us are familiar with the if function in Excel, but in this video we're going to show you how the if function can also be carried out in Project. And it is an awesome tool in order to highlight tasks that have specific conditions. So let's take a look. So imagine if you had a situation where you had to get special approval for tasks that exceeded a particular threshold. So let's grab our cost column and have a look at the costs associated in this project. And you can see here they're quite diverse and varied. Now imagine if you required special approval for tasks that were over $2,000. Could you do that? Well, with the if function you can. So to take advantage of this, go and select a custom column. And in this case, we're going to look at a new text column. Grab the drop-down menu and grab text. We've already used text 1, so we'll move to text 2. And then right-click on the column and go to custom fields. Now, we want a formula to tell us whether or not we need General Manager approval. So we're going to go and check the formula button. You can see here it informs you that values will be calculated by the formula, which is all well and good, so go OK, and select formula. Now to access the if function, you can simply type "if" and continue the formula, or a convenient way could be to take advantage of the function drop-down menu, select General, and there you can see the if function shown at your convenience. And this is quite useful because it gives us a basic structure as to how we're going to put together this formula. So the expression is going to be cost is greater than or equal to 2,000, and then we're going to give it a command if it is true in order to display text in the column, or if it's false. So to organize the expression, you could simply remove the text, drop down field, and we are interested in the cost. We want that to be greater than or equal to 2,000 in order to be our decision point for this if function. Now the true part is where we put our text, if it is true. So you can remove that text. Now it's important that you need to put in inverted commas for this formula to work. So inverted commas, and we're going to say required, and that's true. It would be General Manager approval would be required if it's greater than or equal to $2,000. On the other hand, if it's false, we could say not required. Once that's typed in, you could go OK, confirms that it's going to be calculated by the formula, which is all well and good. And now while we're here, we might rename this column as General Manager or GM approval. Once that's done, go OK, and there you can see it has automatically looked at the cost column and seen whether a General Manager requirement is needed. Now this has so many practicalities. If you wanted to put together a brief report as to when you're going to need your GM to act or to be around for certain approvals, you can simply filter out all of the required tasks that would require your General Manager to approve. And this can be very, very useful in organising approvals in order to make your project run smoothly. Now this example only highlights one area in which you could use the if function. Imagine using it to highlight tasks that have delayed by a certain amount of time. You'll notice also that in video 11 of this series we actually use the if function to put together some graphical traffic light-like indicators. So it's an excellent tool that can help you reduce human error, speed up reviews, help you delegate better as we've seen today, and also add a layer of accountability without the extra admin. An awesome tool to show that you have all the scheduling side of things sorted out. Thank you for watching. We'd love to hear from you. Please subscribe and please feel free to leave a comment. We'd love to hear your feedback.